Kings of Crunch Series 6 1985 GMC High Sierra 2500 Barefoot. Here are the other trucks in this series. Please hit the pause button to check them out. Here comes Barefoot on top of the cars. Look at this. I believe this is the original paint job of Barefoot. We have a little bear here in the middle, in between the wood of bear and foot. They colored this silver down here on the chassis area. And look at that, even in the middle of the wheel, kind of a nut they painted blue. The owner was Fred Schaefer. And then from Pontoon Beach, Illinois. Let's go ahead and turn it around. It has a shorter roll bar than some other monster trucks in this series. One of the facts here of Barefoot: in 1990, 1992, and 1993, Barefoot won the Camel, Mud, and Monster Series Championship. There's back on the tailgate. Very nicely done by Greenlight Collectibles of Barefoot. So this concludes the unboxing and review of Barefoot from Kings of Crunch. Thank you for tuning in.